Hello everyone, we are here. We create our parts in the presentation. We make everything look great. We have also a map, but we are in the passphrase, the future of AI. We need to create that thing and also do a little things to the shapes to make everything look great. One thing I'm going to tell you about in this presentation, let's look at it. And after looking at it, I want you to tell one of the problems of the presentation. If you find anything, tell me in the comments. And I want to tell you one of the important problem of the presentation. Let's go. Okay, we have some more sliders that we don't need them. Let me just close these things. Let me just delete the slides that we don't need. Can you guess what is the problem is? If you don't understand, you maybe see the problem, but don't understand what is the problem is. The real problem here is something really easy. Is that at the first of each presentation you are going to create, for example, you are going to create a presentation here. You must choose, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You must choose 5 colors. For example, let me just make them in a shape, align them middle. Okay, you must choose 5 color. For example, black and blue, and then for example, let's say this kind of blue and this. Yeah, no, I don't like it. This kind of black and also, for example, white. You must choose 5 colors or 6 colors and only use these colors in your presentation. When you have a lot of colors, some of slides don't look good. For example, this slide, I agree, it's great that we can't understand that this is a shape, but also it kind of make your presentation not continuous. I don't know how to tell you, but it don't look great. You can also use this method. For example, use this method, have many colors for making difference in your slide for the listener to understand, for the listener to understand what you are doing. For example, when the one that watching saw the change in your slide, he understand that you are going to tell another part of your presentation. Sometimes that is good and work great, but you really must understand that. For example, here, when we are going to tell one part, you can change the colors a lot that someone that is watching your presentation think that you skip some topics and go to the next topic. It's important to use it in a best way. Don't forget to use it. I just remembered this point and I want to tell you about that. If you like my hint, don't forget to like and subscribe and ask me if you need anything in the comments and tell me the problem of the presentation. Have a nice time. Until then, bye.